Alright, so in this exercise we are going to look at the logging capability on the ISAR server. So let's go back into foreign server and enable our ISAR. So select the logging tab under the monitoring. Expand the tab. As you can see from here, we have a few tasks. Now you can click on configure firewall logging. As you can see that by default they are using the MSDE database. You can click on the option to specify the limit on the log files and how much of space that it have to maintain, or the delete log. So we cancel this. Now we are going to start the query. Okay, as you can see that it's fetching the result now. Now currently there's no traffic that is passing through. So let's go to our Denver. Okay, so this is our Denver server, and let's open our Internet Explorer to generate some logging activities. So let's go to the istanbul.fabricam.com. Now this is the fabricam.com web page, and we try to refresh our web page to see the logging. So firstly, we click on the control, press the control and select the refresh. This will pass through our firewall to get the information from Istanbul. Now the next one, you can just click refresh without the control. Okay, and you can see that the page refresh exactly the same. And if let's say we put in a wrong URL and see what happens. Alright, as you can see that it gave me an error. Okay, now the purpose of this exercise is to test our logging. So let's close this and shift back to forums. So we are back in forums now. Expand your firewall and you're able to see the logging. As you can see from here, we have the HTTP that is allowed. Okay, and those are the NetBIOS. As you can see, this is the HTTP as well. So we are going to check our logging now. Alright, so first let's click on the log time, right click, add remove columns. We'll scroll down. We look for the HTTP status code. Click on the add, move up just below the protocol, and we click on OK. Okay, so we have the status code over here. As you can see from here, code number 200 basically means that it's successful. Then we also have successful over here. We have code 304 from here. Means that content not change after you pressing the F5. And lastly, we have the 404, which is also allowed, but in this case, code 404 means that the page cannot be found. Alright, so this is our status code. Now we also can edit the filter. So let's expand the taskbar, edit the filter. So we want to see only the destination. So we select the destination IP that's equal to 39.1.1.4. We click on the add to the list. Okay, and we can start the query again. Now if let's say we go back to the Denver, again we access to Istanbul. Okay, okay, so logging already created. Let's go back into our logging. As you can see that only the logging from our local to the destination 39.1.1.4 is being logged, and these are the status code. Okay, so this is the logging capability on our ISAR server. Okay, so you can just minimize it.